that chap there.
Okay guys, so this is my chess set box. It says fragile because apparently it's fragile. Also, it's time for a face reveal. Yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing this. We've got a craft knife of some description. Don't know where to start. Cut something. Aha. Aha. Yeah, just a bubble wrappy thing. Made in India. Very nice. Don't cut towards yourself. Tells you what pieces are in it in case you didn't know. Like, you spend that money on a chess set without knowing what pieces are in chess, but hey. Right. Ooh, sellotape. Ooh, yes. Polystyrene. Look, bubble wrap even. More bubble wrap. Every piece is wrapped protectively. Look at that. Wow. Let's get a random piece. This is a pawn. It's enormous. What's this? This is a queen. And it's a king. Ah, yeah, it's not as red as the picture, which is good. It looks so good. It is such a nice chess set. So, get this set up. So here they are, set up on a board. These are quite a bit darker and less red than the ones I saw in the thumbnail on eBay. If we just have a little comparison with my previous best chess set, you can see this is significantly smaller. They're quite tasteful looking actually, but nowhere near as good. And this is just such, an intricately carved, very nice chess. The sort of nice design you get very often with plastic sets, but to get a wooden set cheaply with that kind of design is very, very good. And the kings are very similar really. The cross is slightly different, but the main difference is simply just the size of them. And of course they're weighted. We've got a felt bottom, we've got some kind of plastic bottom which is probably very good for sliding. Probably better than felt even, in fact, so that's very nice. But yeah, you can tell they're weighted, which is kind of good because it makes them a lot more difficult to knock over. Like weebles wobble but they don't fall down. It's very, very nice. Colour contrast is just good as well. Seriously, look how good the weighting is on this. You can lean it like that. So they're not falling over.